مرحبا, I'm Isra. I live in Jordan and I had to leave Syria when I was 17 because of war.
آبل تفاح B banana موزة
My biggest dream is to climb mountains in the world because I love this sport and I climbed some mountains here in Jordan. Actually, I'm good at doing it. We lost our house because of war, so my second dream is to have my own house and finally being a good mother to my son. Bye.